In today's video, we're tackling a common issue: downloaded media files from Telegram not showing up on your device. If you face this problem, don't worry, I'll guide you through some simple fixes. Let's get started. First, let's check your Telegram settings to ensure that media is set to download automatically. Launch the Telegram app on your device, go to the settings, scroll down and tap on data and storage. Check the options under automatic media download. Ensure that media is allowed to download for your selected settings like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, let's make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Go to your phone settings. Find the storage. Make sure you have enough free space. If it's low, consider deleting some unnecessary files or apps. Now let's try locating the downloaded files. Open your device's file manager. Go to internal storage or SD card if applicable, then find Telegram folder. Inside the Telegram folder, look for subfolders like documents, images or videos to find the downloaded files. If all else fails, reinstalling the app might be the solution. Press and hold the Telegram app icon and select uninstall or remove app. Simply delete it and go to the Google Play Store and simply search for Telegram and reinstall it. And after that, open the app, log back in and check if your downloaded files are now visible. And there you have it. You've learned several ways to fix the issue of downloaded media files not showing in Telegram.